Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make a video on the request sent by Teja. Teja, thank you for asking the question and thank you for appreciating my work. So what Teja is trying to ask is that he is running a batch file in the command prompt and he wants to close that command prompt window after some time. And that's the one question. And the second question is it possible to send multiple commands on command prompt using Python? So this video on command prompt, what I did is basically I opened the command prompt using Python, and while opening the command prompt I also provided the command to execute in the command prompt. So that was what I achieved, but Teja is asking how can we achieve multiple Python commands in that command prompt window. So I'll be making that video on the same request. So thank you Teja for asking it. And yeah, so that was all. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. And yeah, like my content, share my content, and if you have any request, don't forget to ask. And yeah, let's work on the code. Okay, so what we have to do is basically I'll be recreating what we did in this video. So this is going to be a second part video for this one. So what we have to do is basically first let's open the command prompt. So what you have to do is you have to just use os and then os.system, and then you have to type the command. So cmd/k, and then let's say java -version. So let me save this to cmd. So if I open my command prompt, what this command is going to do is so if you do java -version, if you have the Java software installed in your system, it is going to show you the version which is installed. So that is what this command is going to do. So when I run this code, it should open the command prompt and it should run the command. So as you see here, you are not able to see the command but the result of the command. So that is the one thing that we achieved in this video. So Teja is asking how can we execute multiple commands. So Teja, what you can do is you can use the AND operator, and when you do that you can type multiple commands, as many as you want. So let's say if I do echo hello, okay, and then I press enter, so it prints hello. So let's try this. Let me close the window and then do echo hello, save it, run it. So what it did is it printed the Java version first and then it printed hello. So let's try one more command. So this time let's do something like date. So save it, run it. So Java version, hello, and then the current date. So it executed all of them, right? So this is how you can do the multiple command thing. But if you have 10 or 20 command, it is not good to write all of them here. So it would be good if you can create a variable str or anything that you want. I'll be using like let's say query equals, and then you can write your entire command here. So I'll be just cutting this portion, pasting it here, and then removing these quotes, and then here plus query. So when you do that, if you run the code, you see that just the one command is getting executed, which is weird. Okay, let me see what happened. Okay, so when you have to do multiple command, you have to use /say. So that's what was wrong. So as you see here, you have a query variable with the entire string concatenated by AND operator, and you have multiple commands here. So this is your second question, Teja, which is this solution. So the first question is that you have the command prompt opened and you want to close it. So the simple version is, let's say this is the command prompt which is opened and I want to close this one. So the simple way is, let me comment these two. So the simple way is that you just have to kill. Okay, so the easy way is that you just have to use the system method and then use the task kill command. So task kill /f/im and then cmd.exe. So when you run this, you see that your command prompt window has been closed. But if you want to do it in a timely manner, what do I mean by that? If you want to wait for certain time, let's say 15 seconds, so you can do that. You just have to use sleep and then you have to provide seconds. So I'm just using 10 seconds and let me open few command prompt windows. So now we have 3 command prompts window and let's run it. So it will wait for 10 seconds and then it should close all these 3 windows. Let's see. Okay, as you see, all the windows have been closed. So I hope, Teja, I have answered your questions, and yeah, that was all for this video. Have a good day, everyone, and stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.